Hey guys, welcome back to Nom on a Budget. Today we're making the crispiest, easiest air fryer gnocchi you have ever seen. It's a total game changer. Let's get into it. We're starting with 1 pound of shelf-stable gnocchi. Do not boil these. Straight from the bag, guys, that's where the crunch comes from. We're going in with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Just a nice healthy drizzle right over the top. Nothing fancy, but don't skip it. This is what gives us the golden brown fried texture without actually deep frying. We're looking to keep it light and we're keeping it budget friendly. Look at that sheen. They're already starting to look gorgeous. Now let's hit them with some flavor. Next, we're hitting it with half a teaspoon of salt, just a little sprinkle. Don't overdo it, guys, we're just waking up those flavors on a budget. Next up, we're hitting it with half a teaspoon of black pepper. Get that nice peppery bite in there. Look at all those beautiful little specks. It's all about layering the flavors, guys. Now, let's add half a teaspoon of garlic powder. This is where the magic happens, guys. Oh, look at that. It's clinging to the olive oil beautifully. That is pure flavor gold. And for our final layer, we're going in with 1 full teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Look at those herbs. This is going to give us a beautiful earthy aroma. It smells like a 5-star kitchen in here, but we're on a budget, guys. Now for the closer, we're going in with 3 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese. Just snow it right on top, guys. Look at that, it's hitting those herbs and garlic, it's forming a beautiful little crust before we even cook it. Now, give it a big mix. You want every single gnocchi to have a little bit of everything. No gnocchi left behind on this budget. Straight into the air fryer basket we go. Look at that seasoning, it's sticking beautifully. Now the golden rule, guys, keep them in a single layer. Don't crowd the party. Into the machine we go, setting our air fryer to 390 degrees for exactly 13 minutes. Now, here's the secret to perfect crunch. Every 4 to 5 minutes, I want you to pull out the basket and give it a big aggressive shake. Get those little pillows moving so that they are golden brown on every single side. Just look at that color starting to develop. When that timer beeps, they're done. They are crispy and they're ready to enjoy. If you love this budget-friendly hack, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It doesn't get any easier or cheaper than this. Happy cooking, everyone, and I'll see you in the next one.